In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your subscription in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money allows you to manage your subscription directly through the billing settings, where you can view your plan, update payment details, or make changes anytime. To access this on desktop, log into the web app and click on the settings icon in the top left corner. Then open the billing section. Here, you can see your current plan, billing cycle, next payment date, and payment method. To make changes, click Manage Subscription. From here, you can switch between monthly and yearly plans, update your payment method, or review your billing history and invoices. If you decide to cancel, select Cancel Subscription, choose a reason, and confirm. Your access will continue until the end of your current billing period. If you subscribe through an app store, you will need to manage or cancel your subscription directly through your Apple or Google account instead. Using these settings helps you stay in control of your subscription and billing details. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.